different suppliers of waste-to-oil recycling machines in the market. What suggestions can you give me on choosing a good plant? Well, that's a very good question. You have to be very careful and prudent when choosing the supplier and the machine. Why? Because this waste-to-oil recycling business is highly profitable but also risky. It needs great care. The pyrolysis plant must be safe, environment-friendly, and energy-saving. But you know, this waste-to-oil recycling industry has no uniform industrial standard yet. So, there are different grades of factories and plants in the market. Very difficult for you to find out who the right one is. Therefore, when choosing a suitable factory and plant, you must pay attention to the following things. Is it a real factory or just a trading company? And how about its service, technology, quality control, installation service, and after-sales service? Only if a factory can do all these points will your plants run safely and bring long-term profit. Because all these points influence one another. A genuine factory with rich experience, advanced technology, and strict quality control can better ensure good plant quality, good plant installation and operation, and the feedbacks of the factory can get during installation and after-sales service can help the factory better improve the machines. So a factory boasting all these advantages can realize a positive cycle and help you always stay at the top rank of this industry. Now I will introduce these points one by one. First, a real factory. A real factory, instead of a trading company, can better ensure good design, good quality, short delivery time, good installation, skilled worker training, fast and professional after-sales response. Second, rich experience. Rich experience in plant manufacturing, installation, operation, and worker training is essential to safe and long-term plant operation. And over the past 28 years, Huayin has been doing only one thing, the waste-to-oil recycling business, so we have rich experience in this field. Third, advanced technology. This will not only ensure that the plant is safe, clean, and energy-saving, but also will ensure that you always stay ahead of the curve in this waste-to-oil recycling field. Fourth, supreme quality. To ensure safe, smooth, and reliable and long-term plant operation. Fifth, skilled installation team. Installation is very important to ensure plant safety and working performance. So it requires skills, experience, and technology. And Huayin will send one experienced engineer to guide you in plant installation, test running, and worker training. Sixth, good after-sales service. So when you choose factory and plant for this waste-to-oil recycling business, you may pay attention to a real factory, rich experience, advanced technology, supreme quality, skilled installation team, and good after-sales service. Hope you find a good factory with good pyrolysis plants soon, and you can directly talk to Huayin. We will ensure you all these 6 points. Thank you. See you next time.